Anyway, I wasn't able to shoot it very well how I put back the cables, so pardon me for that. I just use what I have. It's very limited, but I hope it's clear enough. Put everything back together like this. Be easy, not like me. And then you screw it back. Make sure you put the screws in the correct place, the correct position, and when you do so, if you put them in the wrong place, you will definitely see it, because they will be bigger than the relevant size, so they will be not put correctly. You'll see it yourself, no need to worry, but just make sure to save some time. The longer ones are to the side of the screen, and the shorter ones are to the side of the touchpad, and then you just screw it back on. You can see me sitting on the floor. With what I have, I just try to help you with what I can help whatsoever. Some screws were missing from the beginning, just like the one underneath this seal, it's missing, and the screw here was missing before I start shooting. It's not a big deal, no need to worry. All our screws are back. The laptop is working. I just had to take out the battery. It all depends on the owner, since he just wanted me to help solve the problem. The laptop works, as I said, as long as it's plugged in. There is something wrong with the battery, which is this one is blown, this one is not. This can be replaced, I'm not sure. It has bad odor, believe me. There is a bad odor coming out of it. It's not pleasing odor. You may not like to smell it. So the laptop is assembled back again, like this. Yes, it's fine. Okay, sorry for the inconvenience that happened. The videos weren't the best. I had to split them because somehow I'm holding the phone which I'm using to record, and I press a button that stops the video. That's why they will be in separate parts. I sacrifice sometimes the video editing to save time and upload as many videos as possible and make sure they are good enough. That's why you find sometimes the quality not the best, but you find also some content that I believe it may help some of you. If it did or it did not, if it did not, just comment with what you think is not clear. If it did, I would appreciate some like button, clicking it. Don't forget to subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching and peace.